We could all use a hand when we're not feeling well. With its convenient top-fill design and 2-in-1 functionality, the Dual 100 is here to help relieve unpleasant cold and allergy symptoms. The top-fill water tank is always easy to fill, even when you're under the weather. The ultra-fine mist humidifies the air without fogging the room or dampening furniture. The Dual 100 doubles as a diffuser, infusing the air with soothing fragrances. Add your favorite essential oils to the base of the humidifier when you want to relax. Intelligent Sleep Mode turns off the display lights and automatically regulates humidity, letting you get some rest, while the Dual 100 works quietly. And if the humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it will automatically shut off. Thoughtfully constructed, the humidifier is safe for kids and adults alike. No matter where you put it, the Dual 100 will make a difference, creating a healthy atmosphere for you and your loved ones.